multi-cap, what we intend to do, um, we have the strategy set out where we'll have a blend of quality and value. If we see the table in the middle, what we are saying is we'll identify companies with strong return ratios, companies which are generally R1 and R score alpha model. These companies could be growing faster than the industry, that is gaining market share. They could have some moats or pricing advantage or cost advantage. Some of these which make their earnings sustainable and the return ratio superior. That would be some part of the portfolio. And at the same time, if you see on the right hand side, we'll have enough of cyclical opportunities. It could be cyclical industries or companies which are going through some headwinds, but we are seeing those headwinds turning around and the profitability outlook for the next few years starting to improve. Generally, the value companies would have lower multiples, whether we measure it on price to earnings, price to book, EV/EBITDA, some of the standard measures that we look at, while quality businesses would tend to be expensive. So we'll have a good mix of both quality as well as value. And at the same time, we could have some of the transformation opportunities. Time and again, in each sector or subsectors, we have companies which have had a very stellar past track record, but in the near term, they're impacted because of competition, because of management issues, um, because of which the valuations could be depressed. And when that headwind starts to kind of get addressed, these companies come back to normal. So that's when the stocks also re-rate back to their original multiples. So we look at those opportunities as well. So the core would be clearly quality and value, and opportunistically, whenever we have transformational opportunities, we would look at those as well. On the extreme right, you see the allocations. Large cap would be around 40 odd percent on an average with a plus or minus 10%, and mid and small cap would be 30% average each with a plus or minus 5%. So the range is large caps could be anywhere between 30 to 50%, and mid caps and small caps could be anywhere from 25 to 35%. This is the range that we envisage. But as per the regulation, the requirement is at least 25% each in all the three market capitalizations.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.